Jeez, that stuttered. Alrighty. Let's see. Okay, so does this work or that should have matched whatever. So what did I do? I did stretch that and then yo, what's up, Steezy? How's it going? My man. How are you doing? Oh wait, shit, this isn't gonna yeah, this is gonna go off screen. Transform. There we go. Good. Yeah, I've been really good. Just sort of getting back into the streaming game a little bit, and seems like they now have the coding and game development category on Twitch, and I don't know, had some good interactions with the community, so I thought I'd stream some development again. Okay, let's see here. So I can almost push this, probably. It's like close to pushable. Yeah, but how you been? I feel like this is the last time we caught up too. Is you showed up for this stream? Okay, so really, what I want to focus on this like side nav potato launcher. Oh, like the yeah, plant the potato. I don't know what's going on with these web players. I might want to rebuild these and figure out a new way to deploy them because for whatever reason, I might just need to like rebuild them or something. You're a sleazy car salesman? Yeah. Sales is well, is it good to be a car salesman right now? Like, isn't it a seller's market? Hell yeah, I appreciate it. I don't know, might not actually be good. Okay. Let's see here. I don't even know where to start exactly. Well, the first thing I want to do is I re-downloaded Font Awesome React because it looks like I'm gonna need that. It's okay. And then basically we have this button here, or no. This button here. Oh, cars have been dropping. It's hard for people to trade. Ah, interesting. Yeah, car salesman always seem like one of those things that's like, I don't know. Wouldn't be something. I mean, I wouldn't mind sales too much. I feel like I would. Oh, I wasn't. I worked at Best Buy for a bit. But yeah, it's not something I would like to do. But hopefully Hopefully the market isn't too bad for you there. Let's see what awesome. I don't even know if that's the right thing. Bars icon. Yeah, this is what I want. What awesome. Yeah. But yeah, I've just been working. Been trying to save a lot of money. Oh, I got married. I don't know. I don't know how long it's been, but I did get married. But I'm not. I think the last time was before that. It was actually our 1 year anniversary yesterday. Some icon FA coffee. So it should be, instead of this anchor, well, the anchor, this can be inside the anchor. Then we want to do awesome icon. Icon is like, oh, we need to import the icon too, don't we? Awesome icon FA, because I think I need, thanks. Got engaged like September. It was pretty quick since we got engaged, because it's like, in my mind, it's like, hang on, sorry, my brain is soup when I'm trying to talk at the same time. Yeah, basically it was like September, and then we got married. Because in my mind, it's like, if I'm proposing, then it's like, it's for sure, and then yeah. How long have you guys been together? It's a little salty. Ew. If you want, I can give you some references to some ring dealers in China. Okay, this is getting closer, but we need. Yeah, I mean, that's what coding streams are a lot of the time, is just, I'm doing this. I joined one guy's stream, and he was just like vibing for like an hour, and I was like, I was kind of interested in what he was coding, but he didn't do anything. Yeah, my engagement ring that I proposed with was 600, and you get some nice stuff. Like you can like custom design it too. Like I designed the ring and ordered it and everything. So there's you can just like contact a manufacturer like directly in China. She said like $300 max. Wow. That is cheap. I mean, yeah. I'm sure you could still get something that's like a little nice, you know. Yeah, there's if you go on, what is it called? I don't even remember that there's like a Reddit for it. If you want, I can give you the link after I'm done here, but if you're just gonna find something on your, I mean, at that price range and based on how it sounds, it's like, you know, little I missed that, little over 3 years. That's nice, dude. Is it like, based on what I'm hearing, it's like, it seems like that's gonna be, you know, you're looking for the long haul on that one, so that's good. FA bars. Okay, I need to style this. Styles. I'm gonna need to organize this probably. Okay, yeah, I can send you the link. Hey, what's up? Mordo. I'm not gonna be able to pronounce that. I'll call you Mordo if that's okay. So I need to style this. So it needs to. I'll just say. Well, like drawer button. And word background. Back. Color. I think this is the green I've been using. Yeah, I feel you. I think, I don't know. I didn't do anything like flashy or anything, or but I mean, it's nice to have something. If she's like, you know, hounded. Oh, I didn't apply the styles to the button. If she's like hounding you for it, then it's like it's good that, you know, it's like okay, she's probably gonna say yes, because I can't imagine like proposing and then being like, I don't know, is she gonna? It's like, why are you even like, I don't know, why are you even doing that? But then it's kind of silly that it's like a question. It's like, well, I don't know, because my wife and I had like talked about the long term like for a long time, like leading up to it. So it's like, you know, it's just a matter of when. What did I call it? Drawer button. It should know. Weird. Okay, so yeah, I styled the wrong thing. The style should go here. Make sure she looks nice for pictures. You know, it's funny. What is that? It's like border. Like 0 pixels. That work. There we go. There we go. That's not too bad. My wife and I like we're like never big picture people. Like we're trying to make a bigger effort now. Like on our anniversary, we went to the Swedish Institute and we took like a bunch of pictures, and we're not good at taking pictures either. So she looks through them and she's like, I would say we got one good one. And I'm like, I'll take one. I'll take one at least. Okay, this is pretty good. So I got the bars back. You can work on that page. I do want a home page. This is decent. I should bring this in a Krita real quick. Just make sure that's the same aspect ratio. I imagine these are 1:1. Yeah, we just spam them. Just like click, 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 and just hope one of them's good. If we capture every frame of our life, then one of them has to be a good picture. Yeah, let her do the picture. Anyway. What am I doing? Okay. Dude. Okay, so images, games. So those are the images I wanna. I could probably have a Krita source, but I don't think I'm gonna be using it that much, so I'm not gonna. I don't know. I'm still playing Melee. I play ranked sometimes, but my hand like right here has been. It hasn't felt like it hasn't really been hurting, but it gets like I don't know, like tired really easily. Like it feels like it gets like worn out easily. So I'm trying to play it less. But yeah, I still love Melee. I thought about playing some Ultimate just for fun, but I don't know. Just haven't. What about you? Do you you know Ranked came out, right? On Slippy. Do you know anything about that? Not a clue. Oh my goodness. So essentially resize canvas. So we'll do 300. 300. There's this dude who came out with, oh, and then we want to add text to it as well. Just can I add text, please? Text? Do I have to? Oh, it's been a while since I used this shit. Yeah, it's actually a pretty good font. Bold that. Make it white. Can I do a little more spacing? Whoops. Maybe if I don't make it yet. Then what is this? Is this the size? I don't know what that is. How do I up the, oh, there's the font size. This is gonna look jank. And then we just, that's fine. All right, there we go. Now if we refresh this, huh? Nothing changed. What? I gotta do this thing that it automatically empties the cache. Huh? I just overwrote the fucking image. Oh. That's not tracked, so I gotta rerun, Deb. Ultimate Little. Dude, Ultimate Falco is just cringy. I don't think Ultimate Falco is that cringy. I kind of like Ultimate Falco. Like he's got like the juggle combos. There we go. The image is there now. Straight out Liebe now playing Valorant a little Warzone. Good choice. I actually got back in the League. I was playing Set Top a lot, and I was really enjoying it. And then I stopped enjoying it, obviously, because I got past the point where I was just learning the game, and I got to the point where how different he is. That's fair. Yeah, playing the same character is difficult between games. I don't play the same character in like any Smash Bros game. Like, well, I guess maybe I'd play Falcon in 64, but probably not. But like, I don't even have a Brawl character. But Smash 4, I played Little Mac, and now my ultimate main is Donkey Kong. Yeah, it's just like, it becomes such a chore. It's difficult to have fun. Oh, what I have been having fun playing is there's a new card game, Marvel Snap, made by like the old creative lead behind Hearthstone. And is there no how to play for Rogue Grappler? No, I need to upgrade that. This is pretty good. We got this. There's no animation on the menu. I want to make the menu a little better. Yeah, Falcon Ultimate it's good, but it's just like, it feels like he does a lot of the same stuff, but it's just like slower. Like, someone hits. I'll be like watching a tournament, and someone's playing Falcon. He hits stomp knee, and the commentator's like, "Oh my god, stomp knee!" And it's like, wow, stomp knee, great, so fancy. I could just make this. I think making this. Ah, man. What do you think? So, how did I actually style this? Because this is. It's like. You see, there's like 3 little dots there. What is styling that right now? I think it's the index.css, which I would like to get away from. But. Let's see here. Why am I doing this? I can just get the nav like this. So should be this. Particularly wondering where this gray color background is coming from. Is this what's styled? Oh, here we go. Who's that coming with? That's element.style. Oh. See, that still looks good. It's a little subtle. But it's not bad. So, like, where's that? You telling me the nav is just styled like that? Why did I do that? This is? I have BG black. Oh, I see. Oh, wait, that's how I should be styling. Is that how I should be styling the buttons? I doubt that I'll be in Ohio, but yeah, for some weird reason. Yeah. All right, thanks for showing up, man. Glad you're doing okay. Glad things are going all right for you. See you in another 2 years when you hop into my stream randomly. So is this what yeah, is that coming from BG Black? No, this is BG Black. And it's not even doing anything. I'm moving my windows though. I'm kind of blocking the dev tools, huh? Yeah, it has. Time really goes fast. I think I'm gonna be over here because then I'm looking at because I don't want to block the dev tools. Is BG Black not the class background? Bootstrap. This is element.style. I'm setting that somehow. Is that like a BG dark? Dark. There we go. See you, man. Thanks for showing up. Let's see if I delete this. Oh. What is this being overwritten by now? Oh. What? Where the hell is that coming from? That's gotta be like the default off-canvas color, right? Should I just style it? Styles.root? The hell is that? If I go to this, what does that have? This isn't even ordered. Is that where this is coming from? I don't want that. Is that where that gray was coming from? No. What the hell is that color even? I have to like reparse all of the styles that I no, that is where that gray is coming from. That's like a darker gray. If I do root, God, this needs some work. Yeah, this needs some work. Okay, I think this is fine. You can see it. God, the dev tools are huge. It's got like 3. I'd like to add a little more padding on the bottom there. Is that on the nav button? Yeah, padding. Yeah, border bottom. Can we do like 2 pixels? How does that look? That looks better. Oh, and the should just be gray, so that it matches the highlight color exactly. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. The whole nav needs a border over here though. So this needs a like, I don't know why my Twitch thing always says I'm like reconnecting to the chat over and over again. So border right, just do like 1 pixel gray. That should be good. Cool, it's broken. Wasn't good. Ugh. No? Yeah. It looks like there's like a little tiny drop down. There we go. 1 inch. 1 inch. Okay. Okay, that border doesn't exist for some reason. Why doesn't that exist? First of all, this should be like 20%. Or width should be like 20%. What happened? Yeah, so I'm guessing we need it on this. Yeah, that would be better. And I'm sure this needs the border right too. Where the hell is this? How do I border this thing? All right, first of all, let's make a couple adjustments. First of all, do a couple things here. I'm just gonna style. So the styles.root. God, that's a terrible name. I think I need to like change how I style things in general. This isn't helping. This is not good. We want to go here, and I'm just gonna put in style. This is gonna have width 20%. See, I like the idea of having the styles in like a module. I don't know. CSS is always so messy. I feel like I can never like organize it properly to where I'm like happy. I'm just gonna make myself a little smaller. Okay, so now that should put that in the appropriate spot. Okay, that's looking good. Oh, oh. I probably just need to scale it up because it probably can't fit in this area. Also, these need like better spacing. Probably need to like image. Can I just resize image to like but now image scale image to, oh, scale image. Oh, oops. Maybe that's what I want. Image scale image to new size. There we go. That's what I want. Hopefully that fixes that. No? Are these not 1:1 aspect ratio? Or are these something goofy? It's weird that these are like... that this is the only image that's doing this, you know? Oh, my brain. Projects. Let's see here. Images. Let's open up another one here. I mean, it might be that it's even, I need it to be even bigger. But image... see, resize canvas. Okay, the other ones are 1,000 by 1,000. Let me see if that helps. Scale image to new size. Okay, we can roll size out as a reason that it's failing. I think. Why is it like this? It's correct here. Just strange. Whoops. There you guys go, so you're not confused. But when it goes into this view, it's not. I don't know what the hell that is. So it has a 1 pixel border down there, apparently. What the hell that means? Is that just... what about like this? Oh, there, it's still wrong. Oh, wait. Mirror match is wrong, too. What? Do I need to set the width and height specifically? Like, if I set... hang on, let me try. This is in... components, games. If I set this explicitly, like style. Like that. Okay. That seems to have fixed it. Oh, okay. Cool. Glad that was an easy fix. All right, next thing I want to do, I want to figure out what the issue with the border here is. Like, I want to add it like here. And I was gonna do border right gray. Just like 1 pixel, just so you can see a border. Do I need like, yeah, do I need like some padding or something? Padding, right, 1, something like that. I don't know, where does it go? Maybe margin, right? Margin right 1 pixel. I put it in quotes. 1 pixel. No? How the hell? It seems so simple. God, I hate CSS. Like, what? Hello? You see that down there? What is this? What the hell is this? What the hell is this thing? It's part of this. Should be here. Got a little thing at the bottom? Margin bottom, isn't it? There's some random padding left. How can I do this? Okay, whatever. This shit does not like me. Yeah, visible. That'd be nice. Oh, interesting. Did I... Hang on. Am I fucking... Go to the CSS. Am I styling, like, the list directly anywhere? Doesn't look like it. Huh. Really needs to like pop in, you know what I mean? Also, one of these should be activated by default. There's a lot of things to do. Man. Let's see if we can... Border right of drawer. Of, off. Damn it. Good stuff. Borders. Border end? Okay, put the class border end on it and see what that does. If I can figure out what the hell I'm doing. border end. Oh my god, this shit's all over the place. Dude, I still don't know how I want to style things, because is there a way I can import Bootstrap as like... Okay, that seems to have worked. But I'm gonna need like good enough. It's too bright. Can I do a color? I actually don't know if I can put a color on it. No. Which I didn't save it. Whoop, hello? There we go. Won't let me save it for some reason. No. Like that. That's light? Or that's just not... Oh, light is an option. Let's try... Let's try secondary. I've somehow opened Discord. I don't know how. No? Having border end works. Where does it get its color? Is it from border end? Where the hell is this fucking... Oh, is it on this? Oh, it looks like it's not actually on the... Looks like it's on the off canvas. Okay. The border right. It's looking for -SBS border color. Okay. So can we adjust that? Change Bootstrap variables. What? Here we go. Dude, I don't even know if I can use this logic. I don't even know if I've like configured it. Oh, wait. Does this work? Dude, I can't use Sass. I don't know. I don't know how to. Oh wait, no. I don't think I need. I shouldn't need to. Shit. I don't know how to do this. Sass roll up. Yeah, SCSS. Output compiled styles. I don't understand. Output.css. Bundle CSS. Why does this one do a random hash? Isn't that the same as this one? Compiled styles. Okay, we can try that. Roll up. V3 needs Sass installed separately or Node Sass. Oh man. These are the same command. I have Node Sass installed, don't I? I don't even think I'm using it. That's on the server. It should be on the server dependencies. But it's not even like a thing I can use. I don't even know why it's over here. Let's just try this. And then try to configure it. The question is, will it... So I shouldn't need to import this here, right? Because it should... No? Or... I don't know. Import or process. Actually, I think I can change the syntax on here. Require at rollup. Oh, it's not at rollup. Huh? I saved that for client, yeah. Should I just change this all to ES6? I don't know. I don't have the patience right now. Let's just drop it in at the bottom, I guess. Index, but if it's not referenced by... Do they have like an example of... Oh yeah, your entry. You can see here, that should import. Okay. So actually here, this should still import. X.scss. That. And then roll up. Should Sass that you think that'll work? Oops. course, you guys can't even see anything. I have no idea if this works. Nope. Holy shit. Expected. What? Expected open break? Huh? I don't know. How do you become a software engineer? Be white and have your parents pay for all your schooling. SAS. Okay, so... Oh, wait, no, this is... It looks the same, right? Like, it's like a superscript, isn't it? SCSS isn't it a superscript? Expected open bracket. Root style sheet. Should I not? I shouldn't be importing it here, right? Am I importing in here? No. I am not. This is... Let's see. This is what it built? This is correct, is it not? Wait, let me delete this. Oh, wait. I also don't want... Can I still become a software engineer? No. They're ableist. Sorry, your disability can't get you anywhere. Make sure to delete that. You don't want the copy because it should be compiled with our rollup. Now let's see what it does. Yeah, no wait, I want that to be deleted. So you're in that. Did you get... Oh, I think Lauren left. Lauren, if you're still here, did you get City Skylines to work? I don't understand this issue. Let's see here. Oh. Processor. Like that. This is what it says to do. Oh! Oh shit. That work? Nope. So this here, is this not importing? Import CSS index. It doesn't have that import anywhere. But this is being created. So do I need to do this? But do I also need to do in the index.html? Like, I don't even know why I'm copying this because I had to delete most of it. Like this stuff, like literally all this. The only thing I need is CSS. Like that. And then restart this so that it recopies the... It works with no custom assets. A win is a win. That's a win in my book. Okay, none of this is loading. Anything in the console? Let's check. Network. Did the index.html get copied over? Negative. Wait, what the hell? Oh, it's this one. Oh, that got copied over. This stuff is old. How old is this? This shouldn't be here. Why is it not trying to pull the CSS? Huh? Look at the new Valentine's Day makeup release. Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay. Why is none of this CSS being imported here? You'd think all I would need to do is auto prefixer. Options. Oh, I see. Okay, so prefix. So what we want to do here? Oh, wait, this shit should be moved. No, wait, this should be moved. Oh, God. Move down. And then... God damn it, I can't fucking format anything. Prefix, but import index.css. Is that what we want? Unexpected selector? Huh? What do you want, that? Oh wait, is this the... Is this in... Oh. This is in a CSS file? Wait, what? Is that in the... No, this is the import other stuff. this won't work, will it? This is like in the... This is in the root style sheet that already isn't being imported. Oh, man. Oh, it's so confusing, man. 'Cause I want to use Bootstrap because I want to be able to like apply themes and like consistent styling, but that seems to be at odds with my like styles module, which I don't even know if... I mean, that might just be like stupid to begin with because that's all covered by like Bootstrap classes, isn't it? I think so. So we would need to convert... Really, what we should do... Let's back this up. I'll back this up. Just gonna delete this out of here for now. And then going to remove this. Oh no, I gotta back it up because I need to add. Yeah, just fucking get this out of here. I need that post CSS in there. Do I? So I'm just moving it over essentially. I don't even know if I'm doing anything with that. I don't know. Index.css. There we go. So now this is as it was. So I think what I'd like to do is try to accomplish the stuff I'm doing with Bootstrap styles or Bootstrap classes so that I can minimize this, right? I want to minimize this file here because this is messy. Let's start with this can stay. That can stay. Body shift. The hell is that? Is that anything? Is body shift? Body shift. Let's take care of some like tech debt here. No. It's nothing. Body unshift? I don't even know what these styles are. I'm sorry, what are you? Are you an exact copy? Get out of here. Okay, index.css. Body unshift, also nothing. Button hover. Not gonna be using that. Center. That might be being used. I'll delete it and see what happens. It is not being used for anything. Okay, cool, love it. Logo box. I don't even know what that is. Logo box. Nope. Logo. Nope. Text box might be something that was... Oh, no, cool. We're deleting a lot of styles here. This is nice. I know for a fact none of this is in there. I don't know what any of that is. Okay, we're still looking good. This is used. Games text. This isn't, this is maybe intended to be used, but definitely not. That's not being used. Nope. Nope. Mm-mm. Negative. I think this is definitely being used. Yeah, because of this little animation that plays. Heading primary. Don't think so. How to image, how to text. Nope. Toggle button? This I think is being used. I'm pretty sure. No? Really? There's me. In fact, was not being used. Wow, we deleted 90% of the styles. Now we're left with a very small... okay, now this styles index.ts is what I want to clean up next. The hell is this? Dialogue? No. Games root. Let's try deleting that. I don't understand what that would be doing. Huh. Hang on, the itch.io stuff just is spilling over now? Wondering if that's a consequence of something I deleted. Oops. Wouldn't have been that. I don't see how. And really, I want to change how that works anyway. I'm kind of sick of itch.io, the embed anyway. I kind of want to change that. We were having it locally hosted before. There were issues with that, but I think I want to build a more robust build process so that when the website is built, it essentially builds the most recent version of, or it doesn't even have to build the most recent version of each game. It just has to go out to what exists and essentially pull what the latest web build of the game is. But that's going to take some like GitHub Action pipeline work, because I'm going to need to essentially, for each game, and some of the games I have not opened in a while, each game I have to have its own GitHub Action on its own branch that then builds and releases itself when it's updated, so that when the website is built, it grabs the most recent version of said game. So, man, there's so much to do. Let's see, what are we doing right now? Doing news. Okay, there's right. We were in the styles. You were seeing what we could take out of this. So this we can take out. We cannot take out root. Really, just styles dot is what we want. I'm gonna take out, yeah, dialogue can be taken out. Oh, actually, well, it is being used, but I'd rather just rebuild these components. There's a signing component, but I just want to rebuild that. And in fact, let me just, I don't want to delete it, but yeah, delete this. Don't want that. Delete that. Text? Don't think so. Well, that maybe is being used. The text one? Maybe not, though. Negative. Item. Great. Love that. And then grid. Yeah, no. Create. Negative. Styles.button. Where's that being used? It is being used in games, but we want to get away from that. Input, delete, log, delete. So we've got that button, hover, drawer button, black color, border, 0 pixels. Am I using this? Did I use styles drawer button? Oh, it's still building. Yeah, so drawer button is how I... Yeah, I did that today, I think, too. How long does it take? Why is it taking so long to build? 8.4 seconds to build, really? Jeez. Alright, so this is what we're left with. These need to be styled, but I should really have those be a radio. Or not a radio. Toggle switch or something? Or a button group. Something like a button group. Yeah. This is what we're talking about. We can... Oh, man. This is difficult. I'm gonna need to learn a lot more about Bootstrap and how to customize Bootstrap styles. That is how I want to style this, I think, right? I should just, elegant styling practices, React. I just want to, like, view, like, what are people doing? Because I'm finding, like, a different... Okay, let's see what our option is. Styling React components with inline styling. This is simpler in React. Yeah, this is kind of similar to what I was doing, but I was trying to organize it. Creating a styles object variable, also kind of what I was doing. Does it have pros and cons of that? Or creating React components? Okay, pros and cons. Pros, using inline styling can help you grow, prototype your interface. The styles declaration can quickly get messy and disorganized. Yeah. Using style components. With style components, you actually write actual CSS in our JavaScript file. This means blah, blah, blah. Style components uses ES6 template literals. Style components, React's app directory. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little familiar with style components. All right. Pros, style components dynamically style your elements in whichever way you deem fit. They encourage the dry principle with great patterns for organizing. I don't understand exactly how it does all of this. Style components have compatibility with a wide range of frameworks and libraries. They're also great for developing and maintaining design systems. Okay, if you say so. Style components come with a large computing overhead when converting declarations to plain CSS. This can affect performance of your application. Style components also require time to get familiar with the syntax and procedures. Next, let's discuss third way to style. Okay, CSS modules. CSS. This is Bootstrap, or no? This is just a .css file. This is like a very classic way. Main purpose of CSS modules is to make CSS class locally scoped and avoid conflicts in naming. CSS modules are easy to integrate. Cons, referencing class names with CSS modules can be confusing. Styling with Tailwind. Do we have Bootstrap in here? And CSS style sheets. Syntactically awesome style sheet is a CSS preprocessor with lots of... oh, yeah. This is... That's Sass. In summary, Sass is all about writing standard CSS with added benefits. You can also write... You can... Blah, blah, blah. Node Sass. It's a mixture of CSS and SCSS syntax. CSS and permits writing normal CSS while also leveraging the additional features. Yeah, because they have things like variables and Next, import the styles declaration into your component. But this is still, you still have to do class names, don't you? Then you can access your styles depicted below. Pros and cons. Fortunately, learning CSS style sheet comes with steep learning curves. Yeah, see, it seems similar to... All methods are useful depending on project size. You can use whichever. Looking questions or feedback. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. I want someone to sell me on it, you know? Best way of styling. Number 1 is inline styles? Are you fucking kidding me? What do you mean it's number 1? Huh? Number 2 is a global style file? What the fuck? I need to see the justification for this shit. Inline styles are when you pass in pros. This is pros and cons. Extremely difficult to reuse and maintain. Yeah, exactly. Global CSS. Don't want a global CSS. Cons, conclusion. Sass, SCSS. SCSS is preprocessor. Oh, man. CSS modules, pretty similar. CSS in JS. Using functional components and hooks. Yeah, and hooks instead of classes. Best ways to style. God, is there really nothing else? What do I like? I like Bootstrap. I like things being controlled by a group of classes that are a known quantity. But say I wanted to overwrite those classes. Let me think. Man, that is tough. Say, like, I want to overwrite those classes, right? Because I want it to have them behave differently in certain situations. Or, like, look differently. But I don't know how to do that. It's a very, like, design heavy question. See, this is not the stuff I'm good at. Are you winning? I can win at my own game. I'm gonna play my own game to... Never mind. I can never take this seriously. Also, welcome, Nick. Appreciate you showing up. Right now, I'm not winning at how the fuck to style my website. There's like a lot of different styling methodologies that I could adopt. I'm thinking that I want like Sass modules. And then maybe some offhand inline styles, but bold of you to assume I style my website. Dude, I mean, have you seen this shit? Like, this is... I mean, this is really looking good here. I mean, this is... I hate styling shit. It's all great boxes. I mean, look! A great box, black background! Yeah. I mean, same. Should I just pick something and, okay, so I think I want Sass modules, and and then I can overwrite them with inline styles. So I kind of want this to go away entirely, even though I thought it was a bit, though I'm just trying to take a break from programming. Oh, do you not do it? To struggle is real when you're stupid. Don't get down on yourself, man. I think part of being a developer is, for at least my experience, I am in a constant state of confusion. So rather than assuming that at some point I'm going to be comfortable and know everything, I've just become comfortable with the fact that I don't know the fuck I'm doing 90% of the time. Okay, so how do we achieve this? Let's see. So we want this. Okay, so the first thing is let's move all of the styles that we have into the CSS. So right now, we're going to do this. I'm going to delete this here. Oh, absolutely. Tell me about it, dude. I've had such bad imposter syndrome for like my whole career. And then we want to like adapt these to classes like this. Is that a class, or those need semicolons? Those need semicolons instead of commas. Is that right? Doesn't like Z index. Unknown property Z index, really? Oh, right. We're in CSS land now, so it's kebab case. This will also be agnostic to React, which is actually good because I don't want to be. I want this to be flexible, so this will work actually anywhere. Am I even using this? Oh, it's, yeah, it's nav button. I think I am. So Nick, do you work in the industry, or are you just sort of independent and teaching yourself? Studying. Nice. Oh yeah. Thesis project. Is that, wait, is that for a master's? Or do you I was thinking of going for a master's. Or is it for, oh god, is it for a PhD? Jesus. I do not live in an English speaking country. Okay. So is that for like a PhD, or is it a... What level of education? Because I actually don't know, because I think I'm stupid. Background color. If you don't mind me asking. You don't have to say. Or if there's not an equivalent. Okay, there's not an equivalent. That's fine. That's cool. I never had like a big like project. Somewhere early college, high school. Okay. Yeah, all of my stuff was just like assignments. And I'm just gonna move this stuff up. Like that, and then anywhere we see anywhere where there's styles dot, we instead want, so here we want to do class name, oh god, class name equals, and we're going to need to do some string interpolation here. So we're going to need, so it always has nav button, but then here, hover, nav, then nav. I don't understand what I've broken. Hover. Oh, it doesn't like that I haven't finished the ternary. That's why. A project that is either accepted or denied, you retake the year of the class. Oh, that's a lot of pressure. Not to make you nervous. What are you doing yours on? Do you have a I guess I don't even know how far along you are in the class. Are you just at the beginning, or are you pretty much like wrapped up? So here I want class name, this is root. Draw button. These, I'll refactor these later. It's components not being worked on at the moment. Class name. This is kind of weird. Because really, having class name button is a bit strange. Because that is also like BTN button is a class in Bootstrap, so measuring the efficiency of calculation move cutting algorithms / tricks. Man. That sounds above my pay grade, if I'm being honest. I haven't done algorithm stuff since I don't even remember the last time I did it. I wanted to like grind some. I've cut the original brute force method to about 1/10 of what it was originally. Interesting. That's mainly optimizing some poorly written library code. That sounds like some advanced stuff. Calculation moves / cutting algorithms. That's really cool. That's some like very like theoretical, like, I don't know, quote unquote real programming instead of me moving a button around. But that's really cool. So are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying the education? Because I know for me, there were parts of it I enjoyed, but I think definitely when I had to do things that I didn't want to do, it became kind of a big grind. Looks like a lot of this is working, unless I didn't. Never mind. Never mind, none of it's working. Because I did not empty the cache. I know there's a settings. Persistence, no. Global. I know there's a setting in here to delete. Disable cache when DevTools is open. There we go. That's what I want. Trying to get the computer to calculate as many moves into the future as possible. Oh, interesting. Have you heard of... Oh, I can't even remember the name because I don't remember. But I took an AI class in college, and it was, what was the algorithm? Monte Carlo? Something like that. Is this it? Let's see. Monte Carlo is a randomized algorithm whose output may be incorrect with certain, typically small probability. 2 examples, such as... This doesn't look right. It's not right. Really hate libraries. Yeah, that's a thing that's frustrated me about not necessarily libraries, but game engines. When I was making games, is I always working within the limitations of the game engine. It can be quite restraining, but it also takes like a really long time to do everything yourself. So it's always a balance. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and with the game engines I was working with, it was like, I know this problem cannot be solved, which is really, really frustrating. Like there was a limitation that it was like impossible to work around. Which that was very frustrating. Anyway, what I was looking up is there's like an algorithm for chess that was like it was like essentially you would pick a random move and then or you pick a random move for like every game or you pick a random move until the game ended. And then if you won, you would associate a positive bias with that branch of the tree, and then you would essentially keep repeating that over and over again until I guess you get like a very efficient decision tree. Sure, yeah. What are we doing now? Okay, we need to get our current styles working. Min max, min max. Man. One thing I will say about libraries is that I feel like for the longest time I was like scared to delve into like the source code of the libraries. But once I actually did, a lot of times I found out that, especially Microsoft, I actually hate their code. I hate how Microsoft implements things. It's so annoying, so difficult to read and convoluted. Okay, so all right, so we're having trouble with a lot of this stuff, and the reason because oh God. Was it because we had the shit cached? Is that the reason? Oh man. Because I had no. Because this is nav button. But I had yeah, nav button had some is not being applied, right? Because I go to yeah, class name equals nav button hover. Get other preferences here. Select an element. Button nav button. The .nav button. Okay, all of this shit's being overwritten. Or there's an error? Invalid property value? Huh? What? Oh, shit. There's no quotes, huh? Now, hopefully everything just gets fixed here. I don't think it will, but it'd be nice, huh? Oh, and then I need this stuff. Okay, let's try that. Okay. This, honestly, this side nav was like my most concerned area. Having problems with the search algorithm, that's why I'm taking a break. Otherwise, it might sound advanced to you, but I'm very specialized into it. There are very many parts of the programming channel that I do not know. Yeah, I think a lot of times like I don't know, in general I just try to like be as flexible as I can, just like have problem solving skills and that sort of thing. So are you think you're gonna take a break from it in general, or maybe just like try different languages or technologies? Okay, so what happened to that button? my button? This guy. What happened to him? Did I delete the style? I think I just delete the styles from him, didn't I? So if we just do this, like, well, actually, we can probably figure out what it already has. Like, what does it does not have like FA icon or anything. Oh wait, what? Drawer button is definitely using that, right? Yeah. And if I refresh this, oh, okay. Cool, I just didn't refresh. Sick. You know that. This shouldn't do that. There should be a, I should be able to do the drawer button hover. And then background color is gray. Oh, I love the IntelliSense on this shit too. I only know GS, so probably won't, will probably take time to learn a new language and then figure out how to solve my problem. What languages are you exploring? I personally love JavaScript. It's I would say it's by far my favorite. Okay, that did not work. Did it not, or did I just not? Oh, sorry. Did I cut out? I was just wondering what yeah, and I need like drawer button. Is it active? Oh, white. I was just wondering if you had a language in mind that you were gonna solve your problem with. I think the issue is that I'm not waiting for it to compile. Which it takes 12 seconds. That's kind of concerning. Okay, there's something that this button, when you click it, what are the options? It's not active, it's, what is it? After? I think it's after. Maybe? Yeah, I was asking, like, is there, are you planning to stick with JavaScript? Because you mentioned, like, oh, sorry, I think I misunderstood. I think I thought, based on your previous statement, that you were looking for something to replace JavaScript, but I don't think that's what you meant. Okay, let's isolate this icon. Style when button is clicked. There's hover, focus, visited. Let's see, focus. Okay. Horse. Afraid so. Now I don't know. Now I'm confused. Are you saying afraid so because you do have to switch to a new language, or what the fuck did this guy do? Alright, run the code snippet. So red. No, that's after. Or wait, what? Okay, what's no, hang on, what? What's red? This is button focus. Huh. Hover and click. No, I want hello. Href. This turns, what does this turn? Oh, actually, yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, it turns. Blue is active. Weird. Background color should be white. Only properly know JavaScript. Know a bit of Python. Play with. Compare my script to a similar script in C, and C script was, I think, 1,000 times faster. Yeah. Compiled languages are much more efficient. Is this isn't working? Why is it still blue? How do I see, like...
I love you.
Hey, thank you, Nick, for the follow. Track state of a button. We're getting super in the weeds here. But I just want to know, like when I hit this, I don't see anything changing over there. I don't see hover changing. What? Even though I have a... Well, no. There should be a... Shouldn't there be a style on here? After, before? What? Great. No. How do I see button primary? How do I see the hover styles? What? How to see styles on the dev tools. Inspect a CSS element, hover element. Here we go. Oh, weird. So I select this. How did they do that? Styles, force element state. Whoa, okay. Yeah, it should be active. Focus, oh, but also focus visible. Oh, ho, ho, hello. So I need yeah, active. Wait, so if I set this to active, say, well, that's currently what I have mine set to, isn't it? And yet, oh, here we go. Oh, it's being overwritten by Bootstrap. Oh, is that because I called? Oh. If I change this so that it's a drawer button first, oops, did that work? Does not issue help. This tends to be especially a big problem when I can't Google the issue. Yeah, I mean, it definitely doesn't feel good when you're like beating your head against the wall with no solution. I definitely feel you there. Okay, so if I do this now, why is this still? Let's change this over. Change this over here so that it's a drawer button first. See if that works. tends to loosen the problem at least. Yeah. Oh man, I remember there's this one time in college. Sorry. I had this it's like this homework assignment, and it was, you needed to guess like a passphrase, and I actually just, you were supposed to like, so it's like in the assembly or something, and you had to, what's the issue? Index.ts is not found. Oh, rollup plugin TypeScript. Oh, that's for the styles? I don't need that. Yeah, it still doesn't work. I'll need to, if I, instead of specifying, oh yeah, definitely if you're like, I've been there where I've just been like staring at a blank screen. And then I go to bed. I've actually solved problems in my sleep before, which that only happened like once. But I felt like I was in a movie, like, oh my god, I know what it is. And then I just like typing away at my keyboard. Oh, it hasn't built yet. I'm kind of beating my head up against the wall right now. Active. So button first child active, not button var BS button active color. So this is what I need to change, right? I need to change the active color of buttons. Is the sort of the SASS way to solve this problem. So remove that. All right, now the fun part. We get to fucking try. Good luck, man. I hope this has been inspirational to you. But yeah, good luck, man. Thanks for showing up. And thank you for the follow. Okay, so we are going to change this. We're going to add in. Yes. Okay. So and then we need to figure out how our rollup can now use these styles. So it's not going to be, well, I don't know. I'm just going to comment this out for now. And then what does post CSS do? I don't know what this I don't know what this thing does. Then you can use CSS files. The generated CSS will be injected to the head by default. And the CSS string is also available as default export unless extract equals true. Extract CSS. What the fuck is it? With Sass? Now you can import your library? What? Similar to how Webpack Sass alone, you can depend on the... Oh.
Is this saying it should just work? So wait, it's saying that if I do... Yeah, that doesn't exist anymore. If I do like this, the plugin should insert that into the head of the project? Because this says, yeah, import styles. Oh. Yeah. It's import. So we need to delete these. All right. I thought I fixed this. Oh, no, I didn't. Well, I can just delete this because I don't think that was actually doing anything. Well, wait, when was the last time this actually fucking built? I don't know. Oh, no, it's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, it kind of looks better. Oh, man. Having this shit, like, embedded in here. I hope they fixed it, but it used to be a nightmare to get that shit to behave. Okay, was that the only thing? Okay, that was the only thing that I needed to fix. All right, so... Oh, didn't I do it? Wait, really? Oh my god. So... Can I do... Button. Okay, wait. So now, instead of using the CDN, like this, what I can do is I can say, oh, this should break. Yeah, this broke. It shows it right here. Bootstrap dist. So that should be able to be put here. And then once I do that, I don't know what was changed there, so I'm just not gonna restart this. And now, hopefully, once this builds, this will import all of the Bootstrap styles. Oh, we're in business. We're in business. All right. I'll put that down. Okay, so now if we find the button Bootstrap, I think if I go to the documentation for buttons and scroll down, methods, variables, no. Bootstrap variables. CSS variables. Here we go. Component variables. Bootstrap runs around 24. Are you serious? With dozens more on the way? That's it? What are you fucking talking about? Main background color. This is just how to use shit in general. This says, can I see the, actually might be able to see the variables. If I go here, and then I go styles, it's force active. Yeah, then you can see this. BS button active color. And then you can also see, if I focus, or I do hover, BS button hover color. Hover background. So if I do BS button hover color equals black? How does this work? Is that it? I don't know. It doesn't seem to be. Button primary. Override bootstrap variables. Theming. Yep. I have to do it first. So I have to do my override and then import? This is all sounding very familiar. That's what it's showing on the website here. That doesn't make like a lot of sense. Maps and loops. Theme colors. Functions. Man. This has gotten really advanced. Okay, that didn't work. BTN. Am I calling this right? Oh. Be nice if I referenced the variable correctly. So when they do this, yeah, body background. So it should be, the variable name should be that, but minus the 2 dashes. Let's see. Yeah, it's BS button hover color. Let me look up specifically. No, that's no. Nope. Ah. Variable. At mixin button variant? What the hell? This Sass does have the parameter capability for handling custom button, hover, and active color states. First method, easiest. What the fuck is going on? Dang, dude. Did I import the CSS or did I import the... Oh, shit. I imported the CSS. I want the Sass or whatever. If that makes a difference. It is not like to... Rope does not like to rebuild when I change the Sass stuff. Okay, what did I do? Hover. Hover color. If I import, how is it not after? Like, why is it before? I don't, that I do not really understand. Also, I really wish it would fucking, I don't know why the watch isn't working when I change this CSS. Oh, what? Huh? Oh my god. I was fucking... How is it even working? I'm modifying the fucking SCSS in the dist directory. I don't even know why there is one in the dist directory. Hold up. What the hell? This shouldn't... Hang on, I'm gonna delete the whole client directory real quick. This... Oh my god. So import and then squiggly bootstrap. What is it? What's the import? Bootstrap. No? I swear the post CSS had a thing in here about it. No? What the fuck was I looking at? Oh, this is not the post CSS plugin. Post CSS rollup. Okay, so this had... No, I don't want to print the page. I want to look up... Okay, this. How the hell... Oh, I bet it's Bootstrap's... Oh my god. Bootstrap's still fucking working because... I'm modifying the wrong goddamn index.html. I'm fucking working out of the dist directory. No wonder. Holy shit, dude. Okay, so now this dist client index.html. No, it's still... Why is it still running? It still has the old index.html. There we go. Okay, so now it's using the... Now it's using the... If I comment out this import, it should break. Is what I would... Oh, no wonder the fucking roll-up watch wasn't working. Because I'm working on the wrong directory. Dude. Unbelievable. Man. Alright. Cool, everything's broken. Which is actually what I wanted. So that shows that it's actually... using this import. Okay, thank goodness. I think that means it's using... Yes, it is. Thank goodness. Holy shit, dude. Okay, so... Let's do that. Push this. Still not working, but it's a step in the right direction. Override variables. CSS. I'm compiling to CSS. .foo. This is not what I want. Fine colors. Okay, theming. All right, we're gonna have to figure this out. Variable defaults. Every Sass variable in Bootstrap 4 includes the default flag, allowing you to override the variable's default value in your own Sass. Oh, got it. So that's why doing the variable declaration first would work, because it essentially says, hey, if this variable isn't already declared, then default to this value. Gotcha. So, but now I need to find the variable name, right? For each color value in theme colors. What the fuck? Sass options. Colors. Grays. Colors. No, I don't want to do that. Components. Responsive. Holy shit. I know there are more variables than this. Don't you fuck with me. All Bootstrap CSS variables. Same thing. Can I get a fucking... Here we go. Okay. Huh? Is it not button hover? What do you mean? Button primary, and then I'm overriding those. Styles. Force the hover state. What the hell is this? Yes, link hover color RGB. Oh. A dot hover. I don't understand. Huh. Link color RGB? What the fuck? Is this every variable? This is a lot of variables. SCSS. Wow, this is advanced. This is crazy, honestly. Okay, variables. Hmm. So if I want, it doesn't look like it's just the hover, right? So what is, but the hover is not the primary, right? Like if I remove, say I remove this stuff, the styles that I put on my, Jesus, that I just got jump scared by the fucking audio. It's like slightly different. So it's like a blue 500 versus a blue 600 or whatever. So yeah, I see button primary. BS button background.
So I don't understand if I change, say I change, you know, or try to anyway, BS button background to gray. Why that doesn't do anything. I think it's probably because it's wrapped up in something, right? For each of Bootstrap's buttons, define background for each of its buttons. What do you mean for each of its buttons? Dude, this shouldn't be this hard. Damn it. Override hover color bootstrap SCSS. Did I make color and hover color? Link color and link hover color. See, I was looking at those. So now let me see. This person says link color and link hover color. So maybe link is the larger variable. Let's look at the variables. That's CSS. You guys can't see anything. And link color. You see, I was looking at this. Link hover color. Primary. Okay. Let's try it. This just says to do that. Didn't work. Did not work. So that dude's a fucking liar. Or hover color bootstrap SCSS. Wow, this did not work. To change the colors. Oh, wait, I forgot. I gotta do it before. I'm not editing the fucking... Examples below. I don't want to fucking do that. Man, is there any way? Can I do it from here or what? Change the color of the nav bar on hoverlink. Navlink hover. Link color and link affect links on the page, but nav bar nav links, which are set specifically via nav bar light color and nav bar dark color. So there is BS link hover color RGB. Where is this stuff coming from? Like these variables should exist somewhere in... Oh man, I gotta... Hang on. Variables. So like, if I'm looking for this... Oh shit! Oh, that's part of button primary. Hang on. Is it button? No, which is just part of primary, right? Primary. Hang on. Where the fuck is primary to find? Theme colors. Primary is blue. But... Oh, wait, what? That's blues plural. So if I say... If I said... Primary. If I try to override primary instead of... the stuff I was doing. That doesn't do anything. Ah, man. This says it's set via... Let's just... Navbar... No, it's not navbar. Theme colors. Theme colors. Primary. Yes, this primary is primary. Oh, but primary is blue or default. If we hang on, this is stupid. But if we change blue to red, I'm just trying to get anything to affect the page. I'll close out of this. This. I'm not using those. I'm trying to get anything to fucking change, you know? Can't even change blue to red. Although, this stuff... Blue's blue. Oh, blue is hard-coded. What? So what if I do colors like this, and then I say blue is red. Red. Oh, those are parentheses, huh? That? Oh, and then this needs this, I'm sure. So I don't fucking get anything. So it says... No, blue's gonna be that no matter what. No, I'm trying to overwrite colors, is what I'm trying to do. No, colors is also hard-coded. This is fucking bullshit. This is you can't change those? Well, what, hang on. There's some shit in theming Bootstrap. There is something in here. There is stuff in here for this. Let's see. Theme colors. Yeah, so primary. So if I do theme colors, and then I say primary is gray. No, something like that. I don't know. Secondary. Fucking also gray. Does not do anything. What is theme colors? Theme colors in here is primary, but primary is blue or default. I can't really overwrite this. Right? The theming in Bootstrap. You can add a new color. To modify an existing theme color. Map. In our theme colors map, add the following to your custom Sass file. To add a new color in theme colors, use the new key and value. Theme colors map, remove, theme colors. To remove colors. Oh, this has to be done after. Because if... Right? Well, then how will the other shit even update? How does the theme even persist? Yeah, I don't understand. I don't get it. Change primary color. Once I figure this out, I think this will be good. But Bootstrap primary color. Primary purple, and then it says import Bootstrap. Okay, I'll try. I fucking did this shit and it didn't work. It's not... It says it'll be inserted into the head, right? href. Oh yeah, wait, that doesn't exist anymore. This doesn't exist anymore. I don't even know where the hell this stuff's going. Is it going into the index.js? No clue. Wow, this is a huge file. Christ. Should minify that, probably. Nothing. Like... Oh, I'm not overwriting it. Oops. Primary... Oh, purple. Right? Set the appropriate variables before importing Bootstrap. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh, god damn it!
Root style sheet? Can't find style sheet to import? Huh? Really? Is it not in dist? It might not be in dist. What about in the Jesus Christ. I feel like I'm wasting so much time just on shit I forgot to import. Oh my god, it's from this. Oh my god. Does this exist? Oh my god, it worked. Great. I don't necessarily need that. Black? Primary's black, then I don't really know what's gonna... Okay, yeah, well, it's rebuilding. Yeah, I don't... Okay. So... What happens if I do this? Was the other stuff not working just because it wasn't being, like, built? Or... Oh, interesting. Oh, the hover... What about background? How do you feel about that, actually? I kind of like how it is. Well, we'll keep that. Okay, so we got variables. We've got overriding. So now, if we just... Can we just do, like... Okay, so the next thing we want to delete is... Background... background color... And font family... Wait, is this... This is doing stuff, right? Pretty sure this is pretty integral to how it's styled. Yeah, and then that's persisting the font as well. I don't know if I really feel like doing anything about that. I don't like this. So we've got it working. We've got things in a single module. So now what? Now what? Maybe like the drawer animation. Smooth. There's something about... Okay, let's we need to do two things with the pages. First of all, I want this... Let's just start with the games page. Like, this should be... The space between them should be growing. Oh, let's... Also, this should be easy to fix. So, that's on games. Do I have, like, a style? What is determining the space between these? It's the image. Nothing? Oh, okay. Padding bottom. We just add the blah 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 blah. MX auto. What? Oh my god, I gotta learn the... Okay, property, sides, size. Okay? So property is... I don't know. Do I want margin? Let's try margin. So I want M, Y. Is it dash? No. MY5? Gotta learn a new fucking language. Oh, that's way too much. MY1. Maybe 2. That's good. Happy with that. The other thing is I want them to, the spacing between them to increase over time. So I have like this display flex. I wonder if spacing, let's see here. Spacing smooth bootstrap. I don't know what the question is. What is the difference? Margin of padding. Is it taking the default? Because if I do like, okay, well, let's test something. If I squish this down,
Sorry, I don't understand.
I don't know why you thought I was talking to you. God damn it. I can't really, this doesn't really stretch with this. I can't really test that. If I say like P X 2, I don't know. Maybe that'll do something. Oh, interesting. It looks a little more consistent, but not quite what I want. Adding to adjust smoothly. Bootstrap. Collapse animation, not smooth. In case anybody comes across this problem, just I have the answers. Wrap the content which you want to collapse inside of a div, and collapse the wrapper div rather than the content itself. That could be useful for, let's see. Fuck. The nav was one thing I wanted to fix. Okay, so it says that's what I have. Don't I? Run code snippet. Collapse. Class collapse. So I have a div here, and then I have style width. Oh, I gotta change that. Yeah. This should have width 20. That's not gonna be a percentage. Yeah, I know it might. No, it's not. I don't know what I have this at, 200. Anyway, I want, fuck. What is this thing called? Off canvas? Off canvas. Collapse. Collapse. Not smooth. Bootstrap. Collapse, not smooth. That guy had a different... close. So, what did he fucking do? WebKit transformation. Trying to create an off canvas. Oh, whoops, I didn't say Bootstrap. Disable the animation. I don't know why the animation is disabled for me. Maybe something that a style that I'm adding? I don't know what that would be. If I do style is like this, and then what? I have to like WebKit. Is it WebKit transition? Is it like E? I don't know. Transition duration? Try that. Just to get a property in there. No. Also, the width is broken again. So we're gonna step that out real quick. So I don't have to look at that. 20%. It's like really slow too. It's really crunching that, you know? It just snaps. I wonder if I didn't add a style correctly in the example. The bootstrap off canvas. They have an example. Does it need an off canvas start? Is that what it needs? There we go. It's a little slow though. I think it's fine. But yes, that is what it needed. Oh yeah, it's slow. Change. Nav off canvas start bootstrap. Can we see what the fucking style is, please? Change off canvas animation duration bootstrap. Bootstrap? No. Animation position? No. No.
Change the animation speed. Add the animation speed off canvas. The canvas sliding. So this is WebKit transition. Should be that. So if I do 0.5, will it go faster? Whoa. Oh, well. Ooh, I like that. Okay, we'll keep it at that for now. The hover went away on this. Which I think was just the nav button, right? There's nav button, and then there was nav button hover. Oh, right. I was swapping the styles out. I don't need to do this anymore, though. I could just do nav button hover like that, because we're just in CSS. And then I don't need to add this class dynamically. I could just call it nav button. I think, right? Nice. The fucking thing changed size when I did that? I guess so. Yeah, see, I don't like that. It should just be like, it should be the same size no matter what. I think it's better. Yeah. Let's make it like 250, maybe. All right. Oh yeah. I think that can be fixed by the display flex, I feel like. Let's see here. What has the display flex on it? It should be the, whoa. Nobody's viewing this shit on mobile. It should be like this. Yeah, display flex. I don't know. It's like space between, maybe something. No. Space around. No. Evenly. Let's just call it evenly space columns. Bootstrap. This is their documentation. Do they have any examples? Because it's like, I feel like the columns are moving, but I don't know. Should I just, if I just had the columns, if the images were the columns, you think that would work? Or no? Frameboard is deprecated. Whatever. Like, I care. Like here, yeah, see I have this on the surrounding div. Let's just say hypothetically, I move this in here, like that. I gotta get consistent. Yeah, I didn't like that, huh? What if we delete the surrounding div? Since that doesn't have any styles on it anymore. I don't know if this will actually do anything. Might. Nah, it doesn't change shit. Remove column spacing. Bootstrap. Remove space between columns? No, that's not what I want. Do spacing, add spacing, how to remove space. How to add a margin between columns without a wrapping? Should work with padding on the inner container rather than margin. So, yeah, so PX, hang on. If I look at the spacing in Bootstrap, zero for classes to eliminate margin and padding by setting auto. So if I do not this, but so it just wants to do MX auto or MX dash auto. We did that. No. It's not working. It should be able to add margin auto, right? Still doesn't work. Dynamically just spacing between columns. Dynamic spacing between columns. Flex wrap? No. Keep a gap between columns? No. Container. Oh, container fluid. Use container for a responsive pixel width or container fluid with width 100 across. Container fluid? That's kind of what I'm looking for. Can we do maybe MX2? It's wrapping now. Why is it doing that? Okay, let's not do definitely MX auto. But we want on the container to have MX, say, 1, maybe. Because I want it to be... Or not the container. The row. Yeah. If this had MX 1. That's better. Okay. I'd say that's fairly responsive. Oh, shit. That's basically all I wanted to do. Oh, I gotta style these real quick. I think we style those. I want to work on a, like, about page, and then maybe I can work on pushing this out. I don't know. It's looking good, though.
All right. So, yeah, let's style these buttons. I want that to be like a button group. Button group. So I want them to be evenly spaced. Sizing. Nesting. Yeah. I mean, do I really care that much? I don't know. I just want, like... What is that? That's in the game page, right? Game page. Where is it? Games. Game screen. Game screen is in here, though. Yeah. Browser data. Browser data is up here. Okay, here are the buttons. I mean, honestly, if I just have like W100 BG Ray color green. Is that what I'm looking for? Oh, they're already a button group? How did what I did fuck these things up? Exactly. It's a button group. Oh, I don't have... No, I do have... Oh, class name button. BTN. Okay. W200. That's probably too large, huh? It doesn't change the width of the button. I don't understand why. Because, yeah, width... Oh. 20%. Is it always percent? Is it because... Huh? Do I just style it manually? Because, well, what we have a style for this, don't we have like a nav button? What if we just gave it nav button? Like we went in here and we said, this is a, not there. This is a, oh, here, this is a nav, fuck button. This is a nav button. That do anything for us? Closer. Okay, so I'm just gonna fucking style it manually. Style. Width. Give it like 100 pixels. Pixels. Background. Gray. Color green. I don't give a shit. I need to use the variable. I mean, it did what I wanted it to do, but it's not the right colors. So can I do, if I go into here, I'll just make a new class. Click game button. And say, like, I want to redefine green, right? So green is this now. And then do I just do like green? Like that? So now game button has background color is well, I can define gray as well. There's a gray. Is that what that gray is? That's what this is? No, I want a darker gray. Call it like button selected. That is, do this, and then what you can do is, sorry about that, do this and just make this a bit darker. And then background color is button selected. That's not quite right. Is this, wait, this doesn't have game button on it, does it? No. Class name. But this isn't right. Because really, button background, and then button selected should be darker or lighter? Lighter, right? What is their example? Oh, it's actually borders. It's, I guess, darker? I don't know. I can see that being a little ambiguous. But if there's only two buttons, but then I can say color is green, my variable, and then we can say I don't fucking know, dude. And then games is, let's just fucking add the class to both and see how it looks. Value? I don't think that this matters anymore. But syntax error somewhere in here? Something it doesn't like? Button, oh, whoops. This needs to be... Hello? Background. There we go. And then, yeah, so width. I like my buttons to be the same width, no matter their content. I don't know if that's just a personal thing or what. Okay, let's see here. That's too wide. Probably about 120 or something. Yeah, I think that's good. And I don't even think the site currently has that stuff. So, yeah. Do I work on an about right now? I don't know. I think we're at a pretty good stopping point. So I might just call it here. I've been going for about 3 hours. I would like to stub out a little about. So I want to go. If I go to, I was using God, what is the name of the game? I literally, oh my God, I'm blanking. Undertale. Jesus. Started using this website as inspiration. So it looks like a lot of, like, if I go to About, this is sort of what I would be thinking is like, I don't know, something that, no, I can't do this today, but this is the next thing I want to do. And I want this to be like something about like what we do, who we are, like that sort of thing. But I think that's for another time. But I'm pretty happy with where we got today. So this is like dynamically sized and everything. And then maybe we'll get to the news as well. But I think I'm gonna mull over an about page. And then yeah, I think I'll mull over an about page. All right, let's see who's live. Making Valorant proximity chat. Oh, it's Sam Griffin again. Yeah, I'll chill out on his stream. So he was really cool last time I rated him, so I'll rate him again. So thank you all for watching. Did the raid work? Did I spell it right? I already have a raid in progress. I don't see it. I'm on Twitch. Can I cancel? Let me do it from... Let me look at my stream chat here. Do it from here. There we go. All right. Thank you all for watching. I am probably going to be back on Monday. Not sure what I'm going to be doing. Maybe more Marvel Snap. We'll see. Until then, peace out.